Yan guys, lalabas ako kasi nag-text na si Mr. Patapos na daw siya sa trabaho. So, ako'y lalabas na. And then, mag-walking ako. Papunta dun sa kanya. Kasi malapit lang naman yung trabaho niya sa bahay guys. So, the next niya ako sabi niya, nasa office na daw siya. So, sabi ko naman, para din na ako. Then, lalabas na ako. Di na ako magja-jacket ng makapal kasi di naman yata masyadong malamig sa labas. Lagi ko kasing kina-check guys kung malamig sa labas. Binubuksan ko yung pinto and then nilalagay ko yung kamay ko sa labas ng pinto para malaman ko kung tag nito, malamig or hindi. So, ayan. Ready na tayo guys. Labas na ako kasi haantayin ako ng asawa ko sa kalsada. Hello! Tingnan nyo guys yung pusa. Ang cute niya. Kawawa naman. Yan siya oh. Kiniginaw yata. Nag-walking ako sa labas. Tapos nakita ko yung pusa. Ang cute. Hello! Ang cute talaga niya oh. Super cute. Ang cute mo naman, May. Giniginaw ka. You're cold? Are you cold? Are you cold? Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it's so cute. Where are you going? Oh, it's going to the forest. Dito na ako sa labas. Ayan. Duman na ako sa area ng work ni husband. Tinext ko na lang na sunod na lang siya sa akin kasi may pupunta na akong outlet muna, and then ayan, antayin ko na lang siya sa labas ng outlet, and then yun, punta kami dun sa grocery store. Ay, ang mga bata, ang cute. Mga bata nandun pa. Ayan. Parang gusto kong magtrabaho sa mga ganyan sa nursery. Ang cute nila. Oy, nasa labas sila. Ganda siguro mag-work sa ganyan kasi parang naalala ko yung trabaho ko doon sa Middle East School. Ganyan yung mga estudyante namin, mga infant, mga 3 years old sila. Ay, sana makapagtrabaho ako dito. Ang cute nila talaga. Ang cute nila. Then, ganda magtrabaho siguro sa mga ganyan. Ang cute nila. So, malapit na ako. Sana maabutan ko pang nakabukas yung outlet na yun. Kikit yung mga bata. Oh, yan. Ang kikit nila. Ang cute. Mga siguro to, mga 3 years old. Or 3 years old below. Yan. 3 years old below siguro. Ang kikit talaga nila. Malapit na ako dun sa guys. Outlet. Sana maabutan ko pa kasi gusto kong magtingin ng yung yarn. Gusto kong magtingin ng yarn kasi gusto kong gumawa ng sarili kong sombrero ba. Kasi kaya kong mag-cross stitch ba. Magko-cross stitch ako. And then, kailangan ko lang ng yarn. Malapit na ako. Yan yung school bus. Ganyan yung mga school bus dito guys. Oh. School bus. Yellow color. Yellow ba no? School bus. So, malapit na ako. Sana bukas pa. Sana pwede pang pumasok. Ayan. May kalalabas lang, so ibig sabihin bukas pa. So, malapit na ako guys. Para may yarn akong makita. Makabili ako ng yarn. Tingnan ko kung bukas pa. Diyan ako pupunta. Oh. Yan shop na yan. Diyan ako pupunta. So, may traffic light kasi dito. So, muna ako. Mag-antay. Kasi daming sasakyan. Eh, bukas pa yata. Dami mga bata dun. Oh. Sa loob. Yan. It's okay pa. Cold.
Did
What?
you put the frosting sugar there?
Oo, I put. Okay. We're done guys. We're going home. So, I passed by from the outlet. And then my husband followed me there.
Yes.
Because he's not finished from work when I passed by there. I walked through I walk across to your work area. Like I was planning to wait outside. You know, there is a bench outside next to the road. So I said like, oh, let me wait there. But then like I said, like I feel silly sitting there. So I said like, oh, I remember, let's go to outlet now. So I go straight to outlet, and then I was thinking, I was walking very fast because I was thinking like in my mind, I was thinking like the outlet is closed at 4, but it's actually closed at 5. Yeah, it's on my mind. Like maybe they're closed at 4, and then I said like, oh, when I check in that one, I said like, oh, 17, it's 5. I said like, oh, okay. So I'll say hi to everybody.
Hello, hello.
So it's good weather today.
A little bit chilly.
No, it's normal.
No, chilly.
Because I was thinking like, oh, I hope it will not rain. But thanks God, didn't rain, guys. So we're going home now. Walking on the street. Finally, my husband is off from work.
Off 2 days.
Yeah, he's actually yesterday, he got the long duty yesterday. Like from 1 afternoon until 10 in the evening. So it was a long duty for him. So today, he went to work, actually, short work only, like 9 to 4 only. So, yeah, it's almost 5. So we're going home now. I check first, before I cross. Going home now, guys. And before I left the house, I already cooked our dinner. I cook our dinner and then, yeah, go home and eat. No, rest a little bit. Or you wanna eat straight? Rest?
I'm gonna get coffee.
Coffee lang? So I'll wait little bit.
We don't have any coffee bread.
Coffee bread.
No.
Get something. Hey! What's that? Ah, your workmate. Okay. Jenna. I like when you said Jenna. What does that mean?
Hey.
Hey. Like that? Hey. Jenna. Okay. Huh? Go straight. Yeah. Go straight ba? Go straight. You said like it's chilly today, but I feel warm. Yeah, because my neck is covered and then tara?
Yes.
My neck is fully covered like And tomorrow my husband is off. Yeah.
Tomorrow bakery time.
Yeah. He's going to be off for 2 days. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, he's off. So he's so excited for the off. Yes.
Get more flour.
No, it's okay. That's enough. We still have a lot. And the reason why we pass Okay. And the reason why we pass by to the grocery store is we went to buy, what did we buy? Hazelnut and then the frosting sugar, because we're gonna bake tomorrow, right? So we're gonna bake tomorrow like carrot cake. Yeah, it's carrot cake tomorrow. Yeah, so it's a bake day tomorrow. Here's my favorite movies. Ta-da! My favorite outlet, guys. They are expensive, but the brand are good and the quality is still good. Yes, that's why I like to go there.
You check the insoles?
Yes. And I'm so happy that I found that shoes. Actually, I found shoes, guys, from the outlet. Like I've been going there all the time, but the thing is, like, I couldn't find my right size because my size is a kiddie size. I have the smallest feet ever. Like even the 36, let's say 36 is sometimes like 36. Let's go. Tara. Even though, let's say 36, my size is actually 36, guys. But even though it's 36, sometimes still big for me. It depends on the shoes. But today I find I found the right size for me. It's 36 and it's really fits for my feet. Yeah, so I was so happy. But before I bought that one, I called my husband, come and see. Because actually I don't know how it's the winter shoes. Yeah. So we'll see you in the house, guys. Let's see in the house.
Yeah. Goodbye.
It's in the house. So, yun na guys. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami. And then, we ate. Kumain na kami. Yung niluto ko kanina. Bago kami umalis, di ba nagluto ako kanina. So, kumain na kami. And then, before I end the vlog guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko dun sa outlet. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, pumunta ako sa outlet bago matapos si husband, nagpunta ako sa outlet, then dun ko siya inantay bago kami nag-grocery. So nakabili ako ng sapatos. So ito yung nabili ko. Ayan. Ito yung nabili ko. So finally guys, nakahanap din ako ng size ko na 36 kasi ang tagal-tagal ko nang naghanap talaga ng sapatos doon sa outlet. So hindi ako makahanap ng sapatos talaga doon kasi mostly yung mga sapatos doon mga 37, 38, 39, which is hindi kasya talaga sa akin kasi ang size ko is 36. So yun, nakabili ako finally. Ayan, ito yung nabili ko. H&M. Ayan. H&M na sapatos. 36 guys. So, finally, ang ganda ng sapatos na to kasi trinay ko. Nung una, sabi ko hindi ko siya bibilhin. Pero, hinawakan ko siya. Tapos, binitbit ko. Tapos, naantay ko si husband. Sabi ko, papakita ko muna bago kukunin kung okay ba tong sapatos na to. Which is, gusto ko naman talaga siya guys. Pero, inantay ko lang yung asawa ko para ipakita kung okay tong sapatos na bibilhin ko. Kasi, ang hirap kasi makahanap ng sapatos guys para sa akin kasi minsan kahit 36 kung malaki pa rin sa akin, so depende talaga sa sapatos yun. So nung pumunta ko dun sa outlet, finally guys, itong sapatos na to saktong-sakto talaga sa akin. Ayan, saktong-sakto talaga sa akin at saka maliit kasi yung legs ko, so dito saktong-sakto talaga dito sa akin, dito rin. So natutuwa talaga ako guys na nakahanap na ako ng sapatos, and then maghanap pa ako ng isang sapatos yung rubber para pag uulan hindi mababasa yung yung sapatos ko kasi ito kasi guys hindi pwede pag umuulan. So sabi ko maghanap pa ako ng isa na sapatos para meron akong pang pang raining ba, yung raining boots, sabi ko sa husband. So yan guys, I'm so happy nakahanap na ako ng aking sapatos pang winter. So that's for the vlog guys. Thanks for watching and see you in our next vlog. God bless everyone. Bye bye.